When your Navien Tankless water heater stops producing hot water, systematic diagnosis is key to identifying the problem quickly and safely. Start with the fundamentals. Ensure your unit has electrical power, the gas supply valve is fully open, and check that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. These simple checks resolve many no-heat issues. Dirty filters are a common culprit. Clean the cold water inlet filter by removing and rinsing it thoroughly. Also, clean or replace the air intake filter. Blocked filters restrict flow and prevent proper heating. Error codes are diagnostic gold. Check your display panel for any codes and consult your manual. Error code 003 is particularly common, indicating ignition failure. This points to gas supply issues, a faulty igniter, or flame sensor problems. Critical safety notice. Some Navien tankless water heaters were recalled as of March 2025 due to carbon monoxide poisoning risk when units were converted from natural gas to propane. Check immediately if your unit is affected. If you're getting lukewarm water with reduced flow, the internal check valve may be faulty. This allows cold water to mix with hot water, reducing the overall temperature. This issue typically requires professional repair. These diagnostic steps will help identify most common heating issues with your Navien tankless water heater. Always prioritize safety and consult professionals for complex repairs. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Navien tankless water heater issues, advanced maintenance procedures are necessary to restore proper operation. The most common cause of reduced hot water performance is mineral buildup in the heat exchanger. This requires descaling, especially in areas with hard water. Blocked venting systems prevent proper combustion and can trigger error codes. Inspect both air inlet and flue outlet for obstructions. Proper gas pressure is critical for heater operation. Check the gas regulator and ensure pressure is within manufacturer specifications. The flow sensor detects water demand and triggers heating. Ignition components must be clean and properly aligned for reliable operation. Loose wiring connections can cause intermittent operation. Inspect all electrical connections and try resetting the unit if problems persist. Annual maintenance prevents most issues and extends heater life. Schedule professional service or perform these tasks yourself if you're qualified. Always prioritize safety by turning off power and gas before any work. Install carbon monoxide detectors and call qualified technicians for complex repairs or persistent error codes.